Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you how to make stunning cinematic intro text in CapCut PC. First you need to go to the media section and click on the libraries and then search the raindrops. Pick the video to the timeline and then head to the text section and click on the add tags. Adjust the text length to the media. Type the desired tags. Use the bold font. Adjust the text. Increase the characters. And then go to the animation section and go to the third tab, which is loop, and find out wobble 3. Increase the speed to the maximum. Right click on the text and create compound clip. Then go to the video and change the blend option from default to soft light. Click on the video and decrease the opacity to 70%. Now let's play it how it looks. And here you can see thus a stunning cinematic intro text. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.